Remember to wash your chicken optionally with vinegar or lemon juice alongside the water. Cut the boneless chicken into small pieces. This gave me about 2 handfuls. Then in a bowl with the chicken, add the spices, paprika, white pepper, 2 cloves of garlic, salt, and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Give it a good mix, then let it marinate for about 10 minutes. After marination, beat in 1 egg, mix it properly, then gradually add corn flour, again mixing in between to ensure the pieces are well coated. Then proceed to shallow fry the pieces over medium heat. Keep turning them until all the sides are golden brown. These nuggets were crunchy and yummy. Thank you so much for watching. For more food and agricultural content, please keep it here. I will see you in the next one. Kwaheri.